Want to build a website with powerful built-in tools to help grow your business? With Noomu, you can track visitors, leads, and conversions, monitor sales, subscriptions, and revenue, run a split test to discover which pages convert best, track upsells and downsells, set goals and measure performance, build products directly inside your funnels, create membership sites and online communities, launch courses and subscriptions, build automated sales funnels, manage your business from one platform. Let me show you how easy it is. First, head over to Noomu.com and create your account. Then choose from hundreds of professionally designed website templates and customize colors, text, images, and layouts with our easy drag-and-drop builder. Need a funnel? Choose a proven funnel template, customize it, connect your product, and launch in minutes. You can use it as part of your website or as a standalone funnel. For example, let's say you're launching a fitness subscription program. Simply go to the product section, select a fitness funnel template, customize the pages, connect your offer, and publish. Don't need a full website? No problem. You can launch a standalone funnel instead. And here's one of the biggest advantages of Noomu. You don't need to purchase dozens of extra plugins, apps, or third-party tools just to get the features your business needs. Many of the tools people pay extra for elsewhere are already built directly into Noomu, potentially saving you hundreds or even thousands of dollars every year. Money you can invest back into growing your business. Your website is hosted on secure Amazon Web Services cloud infrastructure and automatically optimized for speed, performance, and reliability. You'll also get access to training videos and weekly live support sessions whenever you need help. Stop juggling multiple tools and subscriptions. Build and grow your business from one platform. Start your free trial today at Noomu.com.